Fall is here, and so is Norla's bestsellers collection. The cozy styles parents and kids keep coming back to, season after season. Meet the classic knit sweater. Soft, warm, and built for chilly mornings, with rich autumn colors kids actually love to wear. Sturdy corduroy pants keep up with every adventure, from muddy trails to playground afternoons, without losing their cozy comfort. Top it off with a matching beanie, scarf, and mittens. Soft knits, designed to keep little ones warm on the coldest days. Thick, cozy socks and sturdy little boots make every leaf pile jump feel like the best part of fall. That's the Norla Bestsellers collection. Loved by parents, loved by kids, worn every single day. Explore the full collection now.